Hi guys, my name is Maria and today we'll discuss some new trading situations. You know that gold fell down yesterday, you know that American indexes are not going up, and we need to find out the easy trading situations that will help us to earn some money today on Friday. Today, you know that we are going to have some news from America that are connected to labor market, and it means that we're going to have a good volatility. But what kind of volatility and for which instruments it is a good volatility? Let's talk and discuss it in this video. I wanted to remind you that my general idea for cryptocurrencies right now is not to buy them. I'm so sorry, but it's not the best time for buying Bitcoin or Ethereum from technical reasons. I can tell you that because of watching all the technical situations, and in previous videos you can check my all ideas, my explanations about what's going on with the market, about the American indexes. I do not say that it's time to sell them seriously, because technically there are still some levels that can be that can be done with the purchases, and I still think it's not bad to buy some stocks, but it's not the best time to wait that they will hit profits really soon. I hope you understand what I mean. So it's not that bad to hold some stocks. It's not that bad to hold indexes, but it's not the time when they will give you good profit. That's what I think. And now in June, in the beginning of June, this period is a good one to trade intraday. If you know how to trade intraday for currencies, for other instruments, this is the period for you. And also we'll discuss the Russell 2000 from the technical point of view. Well, let's go to some technical pictures which I think show us the best opportunity to trade. First of all, we'll start with the euro dollar, and this is something that I do like because of instrument being really predictable. What means predictable? Technically, reason to trade is here, and well, we see what to do. If you go to daily chart, you will see that price is going down, like not the first day, but not the third day. It's going down from 26th of May. There is no good trading signal to wait euro at 1.18, but locally there are still good levels of support that can be done, and we do not connect technical picture of euro dollar only to euro situation, but we also discuss euro dollar due to the fact that we see on American dollar index. Look here, I did discuss with you this. So for American dollar index there are still levels of resistance that will be reached, and this is like 90.85. Now you can see American dollar index H4, it means 4-hour chart, level of resistance is 90.85. Level of resistance 91.27. So those are levels that market will try to hit, and this is not something that you want to miss because this 90.56 level, this is like for Fibonacci extension, this is the 100% level. I usually don't use it because this is something that is done all the time. But the second, after the 100% level, the second target is 90.85. This is like 131.2 level for Fibonacci extension. And I usually do use this level of resistance as a target. After you see that the first level of resistance is broken, you put this one, 131.20, as the second level that you have to buy to. So now American dollar index is going right here, 90.86, and after that, if they break this level of resistance, they'll go to 91.28 level. Okay, if we see that American dollar index is going up and there are still levels that we think are good to be reached, we go to euro dollar and we understand that this is a period for us to keep selling. How far should we sell? We come back to Rumus and we have to check the Fibonacci extension on 1-hour chart, on 4-hour chart for euro dollar, and our target to sell euro dollar is 1.2036. So this is technically something that you have to trade in these days. When we understand that euro dollar is not going down anymore, when do we understand that American dollar index is not going up anymore? You can see this, well, this, like level, this level that market is trying to break right now. So this is something that they reach, they stop, they break, and If they come back above this level, you can see importance of this level from May of this year. So if they come back above this level, this is the moment for us to put stop loss. So I would say that a good moment for us to put stop loss is above 121.30. But you know that today we're going to get some news that will give us a big volatility, and it means that they may test this level of resistance. And if they do that, if they try to come back to 121.30, 121.42 in like one candle, you know, it happens when we get some news, price is just rising really fast in 1 minute, and second minute it's going down. So if they reach this level of resistance, this is the moment for us to sell, to make a quick sell and go down with the target that I showed you before. So yeah, to come back above this level means this one means that price will break it and close price of 1 hour chart will stay above this level. If it happens like that, this means that price is not ready to go down anymore. But if they just hit it and go down in like 1 minute, in 15 minutes, it means that they just try some stop losses, they break stop losses, they take stop losses, and they'll keep going down to 120.30 level. If we talk about gold, it's also connected to American dollar index situation, and right now you can see that price is testing a good support 1,861. I was telling to my Russian traders that while price is being above 1,883 area, it's still okay to wait that they will show you new entry points to buy gold. But what they did, they broke this level of support and went under. So we are not buying until price will not come back above 1884, so 1884. When they come back above this level, we are okay to find entry point and buy up to 1960 area, okay? But not right now. So gold right now is not something that we should be afraid of, but this is something that is not ready to go far above. How do we predict what will happen to gold? We check technical situation with American dollar index as well. As far as it's going down and you know the maximum price that we are waiting for, gold also will go down. It will not be able to go up. When you see that American dollar index becomes weak and it's going down, after that we're okay to keep buying gold. That's how it works. But also I would like to tell you there is still no reason for us to say that American dollar index is going up and this is the reversal. No, it may change any time. You got to be ready for that as well. So okay, now we go to American dollar index. Yes, we're here and we go to indexes. Look, there are many people who say that we have to sell American dollar indexes, American indexes, but I don't see a reason actually. Seriously, I don't see a reason. I'm afraid that we are not allowed to buy right now because it's not ready to go. When price is ready to go, when they get news. Today we're going to get news, so today we have to trade these instruments. Is there any sell signal? No, there is not. If you go to S&P 500, your previous target was 4,237. When they break this level of resistance, your target will be around 4,347. So this is something that we are going to trade when they break the maximum price. If you go to 4-hour chart, you can see how price is trying to go down and there is a buyer who holds this level of support. So there is no good seller right now. If you go to Dow Jones, there is also no sell signal and you have to keep your long positions up to 35,000. Above 35,000, there is a huge target. So what I mean that current correction of American dollar index is a good one and we still can see those levels that I told you, but this is a part-time situation. This is not a period for us to wait for a long-term or middle-term reversal and the upgoing tendency for American dollar index. Right now, they are still not showing a good sell signal for American indexes and not a good buy signal for June or July for middle term for American dollar index. If you go to Nasdaq, it's also really weak about going down. So any moment that you can see that price is going down, this is not a reversal yet. There are still good levels of resistance. So market is not showing us a good downgoing tendency yet. Got to be careful with that. If you take into account Russell 2000, you can see that price has been in range. And yesterday to my traders in Russia, I told them an opportunity to trade this moment after they break the 200 moving average, sell up to 2267. This is good, but intraday we made these short deals. Right now on 4-hour chart, I follow an idea that they are going to break 2300 area, and above this area I'm gonna buy up to 2365 area. So for Russell 2000, this is an idea that after they break the level of resistance 2300, we gotta buy with the target 2367 and so on. So there was still an opportunity for us to go up. I was waiting for this moment for a very long time, and I wasn't trading Russell 2000, but right now I think that this is kind of good situation that may give us some money with the long positions. About Bitcoin, I still think that this is area to 27,400 that they will reach, and only after that we'll discuss maybe we should buy. Okay, so right now you will believe me, there are many people who sit with me well, when I eat or meet with me on different parties, and also everyone wants to ask, like, when should we buy? What do you think about buying cryptocurrencies? And it is really nice because people believe that I do know what we do. And right now for Bitcoin, for Ethereum, there is still now a good time to buy. No one knows what to do. Market is still waiting for a good moment. No one says that price will be 1,000, well, I don't know, maybe 65,000 again. No one says like that. So I want to tell you, there is still no good trading situation. Wait. Just wait. You can see Ethereum going down nowadays. Well, these days it's going down. Price still may go lower. So be careful with entry points. I still think we should buy, but I'm waiting for a good moment to buy and hold, and not being afraid of what's going on with the market. Okay, and I do hope that my ideas help you, because I work with it all the time and I follow markets, so I want to be really useful for you. And yes, now I do travel, but my computers are always with me, and this is something that I do all the time. I help people to understand what's going on with the markets. I do make technical researches. I do make technical I find entry points with a technical reason. This is something that I do all the time, and if it helps you, you're welcome to stay here and of course to watch all those videos. About stop losses, you gotta know how to put stop loss, but due to the fact which time frame you work with. If I give you some technical research like gold may be above that area, you do understand that you need to see extremums. Find online what extremum is. So you put stop loss above or under the previous extremum. And your target, you always have to have target. That's why I show you, for example, for euro dollar or for American dollar index, what is your next target. For Russell 2000, this is something close that I think we should trade. When market is changing and there are some good news about, for example, oil market, we'll change our focus to oil market. When there is a good opportunity to trade cryptocurrency, we'll turn to cryptocurrency. When there is a good news reason to trade, we go and trade. So today we're going to get some news about the labor market from US. That is why I do discuss American dollar index, euro dollar. I do discuss American indexes, and Russell 2000. It looks really nice for me. It's not like the best instrument that I do like to trade, but technically it's the best one right now. That's why I do pay attention to it. Thank you very much for your attention, and see you later, guys. Bye bye.